Today I'm answering the big questions about a little watch. This one, Japan's answer to the minimalist watch. Is it for grown-ups? Actually, yes. It has a generous length watch band. I have a fairly average adult's 7-inch circumference wrist, and you can see I wear it on one of the middle holes of those available. I've got more than an inch of the strap left to spare, and those with tiny wrists will be okay around here. Is it good? Well, it will tell the time more accurately than most fancy automatic watches costing thousands of times more money. The quartz movement will provide accurate timekeeping. I can also read the time quite clearly with its simple white dial and black hands. And nobody sought to ruin it by fitting a sapphire crystal so reflective that the only thing I might see is myself when I look at it. The acrylic crystal is completely clear from all angles. Acrylic is also super tough, about 100 times more impact resistant than sapphire due to its impressive elasticity modulus. What about scratches? You can get those out with various abrasive pastes or with fine grit paper dipped in a little soapy water. So yes, it's a lot good so far. And this watch gets me more compliments than any other. I like that. Where'd you get it? I want it. You want it? Get off. Get your own. Anyway, I've not experienced that with any other watch I've owned. If you want to buy one, I put an affiliate link in the description. If you use it to buy something, I can earn a small fee at no extra cost to you. Is it for girls? I'm not getting into that one. You guys can have your say in the comments if you'd like. I don't think it's making me look like Arnie, but I think it's kind of gender neutral. I like its charm and its clean, timeless look and unpretentious appeal. It pairs effortlessly with most outfits. How big or small is it? The case diameter is 33.8 millimeters across. The case thickness is about 8 millimeters. The resin watch band is 19 millimeters at its thickest end. The look-to-look measurement is around 38.5 millimeters. And it weighs 20 grams or 0.7 ounces or about half the weight of a slice of bread, which makes comfort a standout feature. It's too light to really feel that it's even on my wrist. That's a good thing if you're someone who normally finds wearing a watch irritating. This watch feels as light as the kind of wristband you might get given at an event entry. Is it waterproof? It's splash resistant. No need to take it off when you wash your hands or do the dishes. Mine has accompanied me on some rainy outdoor adventures.